Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the future of 3D printing. I'm your name, and I can't wait to explore the emerging trends and innovations in 3D printing technology with you. 3D printing has come a long way, but the best is yet to come. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the future of this groundbreaking technology. Bioprinting, building life, one layer at a time. First up, let's talk about bioprinting. It's not science fiction anymore, it's a reality. With bioprinting, we're now able to create living tissues and organs, paving the way for life-saving medical breakthroughs. From custom-made organs to skin grafts and even drug testing, bioprinting is changing the face of healthcare as we know it. Large-scale 3D printing, building the future, bigger and faster. Moving on to large-scale 3D printing, it's not just about creating small trinkets anymore. It's about building entire structures and infrastructure. Imagine 3D printing houses, bridges, and even entire buildings in a matter of days. It's happening, and it's reshaping the construction industry. Sustainability, printing with a green future in mind. Lastly, let's talk about sustainability. The 3D printing industry is embracing eco-friendly practices. We'll explore how recycled materials, reduced waste, and innovative sustainable filaments are making 3D printing a greener technology. The impact on industries and beyond. The future trends we've discussed today have a significant impact on various industries, from healthcare and construction to environmental sustainability. These trends not only drive innovation but also create new job opportunities and have the potential to improve our quality of life. Join us on this fascinating journey. If you're as excited about the future of 3D printing as we are, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Stay updated with the latest in 3D printing innovations. Got questions or insights to share? Do you have questions or insights about the future of 3D printing? We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, and let's start a conversation. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of 3D printing. Remember, the future is here, and it's being printed layer by layer. Stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the innovations of tomorrow.